Hello, guys. Oh my gosh. No, Minecraft. Okay, never mind. It works. So I'm here with my buddy, Sparky. Sparky, say something. Freaking.
Hi.
No.
Okay. Hi.
Do your shout. Do your freaking shout. There it is. Where is freaking...
Yo, listen.
Dang it. I need to go get my,
There.
kit.
Seriously, I just came down here. Now I have to... Okay.
Archer. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, mate. What the heck? XX Ninja Bro? Yeah, you're not gonna...
Jump off the edge! Whoa.
Oh, crap. I hate X-Men.
Where are you? There's wolf.18. Wolf.18. I don't see anybody.
I see pants, and I see even more pants.
Yeah, people have my chest. Oh, crap. Stone sword.
I don't know where you guys are.
Guys, meet at spawn. Just meet at spawn.
I'm getting smacked around.
Go to spawn. I'm just getting smacked around right now, which I don't really care about.
You're gonna get killed, just telling you that, Sparky. Oh crap, someone's trying to kill me.
I'm never gonna get killed.
Someone smacked my booty.
Yeah, me too. Like 2 times.
Oh, what? You guys left me to die in a ditch. Wait, you still alive, Wolf Protector?
Yeah.
Wolf Protector.
Yes!
Okay, White Wolf, I think you need to turn your mic up like a bunch. You cannot hear us. Oh, who the heck is Wolf 1-8?
Yeah, no.
Can you hear me now?
Yes!
No, you need to hear us better.
No, I hear you fine.
I can hear everybody fine.
Can you hear this?
There, I put my mic up to max. If that
dude.
helps you so much.
Dude, it's fine. I think it's fine.
Oh, crap.
Guys,
Why are you, like, bursting off my eardrum?
I know where the frost starts.
Stop.
And the frost
No, I needed that.
is coming, I think, right now, as we speak.
White Wolf, describe your surroundings so I can be your friendly ghost.
Okay, my surroundings are...
Water, I bet.
Near...
I'm betting it's water.
Yeah.
God dang it, there's not so many places.
Oh my gosh.
Sky, no, God, look at this name. Look up Sky, press S, and press tab. It goes to Sky Legends.
Skype?
Skype
Legends. It says Skype Legends.
Yeah, I saw that.
Why did you enter?
Oh,
Team,
nothing.
Stay team.
I'm so confused.
No, I'm assuming it's Skype Legends. He has Skype. And Sparky, you let us down a lot.
I'm gonna get killed. I'm gonna get
Yeah,
killed.
boy.
I'm gonna get killed.
No, don't.
Someone's chasing me. I have nothing. Only a pork chop.
Wait, what was you already died?
No, I didn't.
I'm the only one dead?
Yes.
Yep.
I'm for sure I saw Wolf to die.
I didn't die.
Nope.
I'm for sure I saw you die.
I'm free
And
wolf.
You're a free
I'm pure
wolf.
alive.
I
Pure
found Skype
aliveness.
He's a yellow black person. Yeah,
That sounded so...
he's a black and yellow person. That's definitely not racist, I promise. Look it up. Black and yellow. Not racist.
It's just how, like...
It means black and yellow. Black and yellow means black and yellow. Like black means black,
It's
yellow
not
means yellow.
for that, like...
Oh, I'm not gonna get any kills.
Yellow.
I have a feeling like someone's just gonna jump out of the water and then, like, kill me with an iron sword.
Left.
What? Oh, I saw your name. Sparky.
I felt like it. Now we're playing Super Smash Mob.
Bye. Bye.
Everyone,
I guess You want to record Super Smash Mobs after this?
Oh
Sure.
yes, that would be awesome.
But this time we have to team then.
No team, cause it's 3v1.
Yeah, that wouldn't make
Fine.
sense.
I'm gonna team. Is anyone gonna team with me? Anyone?
Go. Oh my gosh. Don't. Is the supply drop next to me? Gosh, that lag. That lag. No, the supply drop's not there. Excuse me, Sparky, but
Stop
Sparky,
eating.
don't, please don't. That's
I'm a
disgusting.
go chicken. Ah, go chicken, go.
What did he just say? Did he say I'm a YOLO chicken?
I'm killing a
think so.
chicken. Oh God,
I thought he said I'm a YOLO chicken.
I am a yo. No, I am a yo.
You're something, but
You're
probably
not
not.
a YOLO beast chicken. He's not a YOLO beast chicken.
Oh my freaking God, that creeper just blow me up in the same place every time.
Oh, I almost died. Excuse me for my words. This is gonna be
Holy crap! Frost!
bye.
Freaking Frost!
Bye, friend.
Nope. No.
Long time no
Don't say
see.
bye to me yet. Don't say bye to me yet. I'm still alive. I'm still in this.
Dude, your mic is going crazy. I meant like the sound is way up. I mean, it's making my headphones like, help.
Is this better?
Oh my God, I am losing
Guys, is
that.
this better? Guys, is this better?
Yeah.
No, it isn't. It's not at all.
Oh,
Huh?
so
Blah blah. We're not. Oh crap! Lag again. That lag. I think.
buttons. We can do buttons on the server.
Crap. Frost. Bye. Frost.
I barely escaped.
I'm dead.
Frost.
I just died.
Bye.
Okay, did y'all die?
Wait, dive protector?
No.
Leave me?
I said that to Sparky. Bye.
Okay, bye.
No, I meant. Yeah, blah. Whatever. Blah blah blah.
Blah, blah,
Banana?
blah.
Oh crap! I just fell. Again. I don't know if there's a way to get out. I don't know. The water's too powerful for me.
Oh my god, I'm surrounded by the freaking frost.
Try stripping with chips in your mouth. It's very awesome.
Okay, guys, you know what's terrible?
What?
Your
No
armor?
weapon.
Your armor? Is your armor terrible?
Mm. It's
Crunch, crunch.
good. It's like, my armor's not good, but it's not terrible. Crunch. Crunch.
Crunch!
Is that better? Can you guys hear me less now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes.
Is
Wolf
it better?
protector, wolf protector! Wolf protector!
Don't kill me. Yeah, he's right about his armor. I think it's good armor. I don't have anything. Dude, do you have anything? Can I have your,
Everyone, what are the vibes? White Wolf sucks at PvP.
key? Yeah.
So, it sucks. Everyone knows that. I suck at PvP.
I
Oh
know.
God,
Protector,
I
just
hate
look-
this. Oh God, dang it.
Wolf protector, just look in these houses. There should be something left. Usually people never get every single house.
Oh my gosh, stupid freaking computer. Sorry. Computer's being stupid. It's like,
Oh my god, I
No,
thought this
can't do
was
that.
frost.
What the heck? I'm leaving that.
do.
I hate dragon skip. I don't even
The
know.
only reason why I'm guessing that is got a sword.
Okay.
You need a cookie? Want a cookie?
No.
Oh, found some fishies. Oh, never mind, you can't get fish.
I've already been there.
Did you get this stuff?
What stuff?
Why is it this one?
Don't do slash
don't
DM.
just- Don't.
Dumb. Dude, do you have any stuff I could eat?